We're at Poole Motorbike Display Festival, call it what you will. They have this throughout the summer. Just look at him. Oh look, he's got a little skeleton.
That's got seatbelts in it.
Yeah, 3 seats. Very nice. Isn't that just? Another one here with leather saddlebags. Beautiful, beautiful. Some nice bikes. Please don't forget about subscribing, because it helps the channel and it makes an old man quite happy as well. But yeah, 2 million people have seen the channel. We haven't even got 4,000 subscribers. Poor old boy, honestly. Enough to make you cry, innit? Anyway. All lovely bikes over here. I don't know much about them, but if you're into bikes, you'll be enjoying that. It's a skeleton. A skeleton, yes, I know. Lovely V-job. A few more along here. Last year there were lots more, but it's not actually a very nice evening. So here we are, look at that. Well, there's just a few more to go. It's a big one, isn't it? Look at him. Look at him.
You've definitely done some martial arts. You've got that like big.
Motor Guzzi. Nice bikes. Motor Guzzi. Motor Guzzi. Look at that gearbox there, look at that. It's a fixed drive. It's not got a chain, look. The drive goes down here. Drives it direct to the wheel. Motor Guzzi. Right, beautiful. Right, well, we're down here by the Poole Harbour. As you can see, my big yacht is over there. Yeah, I doubt it. And this is Poole Harbour. And you can see there's a lot of big clouds coming over, but I think it's clearing. Look over there, I can see a bit of blue. So I'll just do a little bit more, and then I think I'll stop this and we'll see what happens. Right, thank you for watching and bye for now.